This is Erwin, a pet kangaroo in Colorado. He's escaped twice this year, leading police on wild chases through town.
I get it. Yep.
Hi, buddy. You got him? Does he hold his legs or anything?
Nope. That may be a little.
Huh? What can I do, Garrison?
It took officers hours to catch him both times.
Oh, I got it.
Do you want to go PD 143?
Believe it or not, owning kangaroos here is totally legal.
We have the kangaroo detained.
Would you ever keep a kangaroo as a pet?
Hey, open your door.
Negative.
Yeah, open your door.
We just need our resident cowboy, dude. I knew it.
Here you go, buddy. Right.
Yeah?
He was that cool with you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I thought. Jump on it or what? I could grab him.